Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can connect Trust Wallet to Trezor Wallet. So, first you have to update your applications. You have to make sure that you have the latest version of Trust Wallet installed on your mobile or desktop. You can also update your Trezor firmware using the Trezor suite to avoid compatibility issues. So let's get started. So next thing you have to do is to connect Trezor to your device. So plug in your Trezor hardware wallet to your computer or connect via OTG cable or adapter if you're using mobile, just like this one. And then just unlock the Trezor wallet using your PIN. After that, open your Trust Wallet, launch the Trust Wallet tab, I mean the application or tab, and then go to the Settings tab, then select Wallet, then tap Add Wallet. From there, you have to choose the hardware wallet. So in the wallet option, select Connect Hardware Wallet, and then pick Trezor from the list of supported hardware wallets. So it looks something like this. Here you have the hardware wallets, and then tap on the Trezor one and tap on Connect Wallet. After that, go ahead and authorize the connection. So Trust Wallet will ask you to approve the connection. So on your Trezor device, you just have to confirm the pairing request. Then you might need to allow USB connection or enable Web USB. This is for browser-based connections. So after that, you can import accounts. So once you're connected, Trust Wallet will detect your Trezor accounts or the addresses. So just choose which accounts you want to manage inside the Trust Wallet, then tap on confirm to finish. So that's it. It's pretty easy. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!